today, everybody, we are in the Zaraffa's line and we are getting some drinks, and we've already had lunch but we're still getting food because we're fatties.
Do you ever just have those days where everything annoys you? Like, everything. Down to the beeping of the car. Like, everything.
I mean,
it's like you moo, but like you can do like a funny moo, like meh. And the other person can't laugh. It's just like the funny noise.
Okay, I'm keen, go. I'll win this. Don't you ever moo like that again. Fucking ever.
You laughed?
No, I didn't laugh. I wanted to jab you. Ready? You lost.
No, we both laughed.
Oh, that one made me laugh. Oh, mine not allowed to laugh either.
Oh.
Go. Holy moly. Seriously, you need help. You need help. So anyway, we are going to go to Kmart. Good old Kmart. Here in Australia, it's where you get all your
Kmart stuff.
cheap shit from, really. And then after that, we're going to go to Bunnings because we're going to redecorate the fridge. Some knickknacks that we need, so we'll take you with us.
Yeah.
Let's go.
But a Kmart party, oh shit.
Okay, so I'm pretty much buying the whole shop with Mum's money because, you know.
I'm spender.
And I'm getting clear containers for the fridge.
Sick angle. That's a good one.
Oh, my hand. Oh, I'm trying to do it. Should I get these? These look good. They're just like the white ones, but they're cool.
They're just like $14 each.
No, that's this.
Oh.
$3.50. Sorry, guys.
Where you going, bro?
Go on then, get one of them.
Here's another one for the fruit.
Yeah, right. She reckons get this one for the strawberries.
No,
Yeah,
this is
because
for the fruit.
we eat that much
For the
strawberries.
fruit.
Mate, you said get it for the strawberries to drain them. Don't even lie.
Strawberries are a type of fruit, okay? Fruit.
You're gonna have to do so many jobs to earn this, honestly.
Tell me if you see a super king.
Yeah. 1,000 miles. Just say.
I just don't think we have enough. I think we need some more.
It's a hard no. It's a hard no.
What?
No, put that back.
What?
Shame, your
did
card
I do?
declined. Shame.
What did I do? What do I do now? Cancel.
Gotta do the pin.
I did F accidentally. Oh. Normally the 9's down there.
Mm-hmm.
It's not right.
Shame. A thief! Let's go, lass.
You see me rolling with them hands. What?
What'd you say? We got that what?
We got that down
Pack. Is it down pack or down packed?
We got that down pat.
Or is it down pat?
Pat?
Yeah.
No, it was.
We got that down pat.
Are we English?
We got that down pat.
We got that down packed.
We got that down pat.
We got that down pat.
We got that down pat.
I don't know.
No, it's
That down pat.
Yeah, go.
Hello, I'm Araiah.
Oh my gosh.
We've got that down packed. We've got that down packed. We've got that down packed.
Yeah. Sure.
Hi, Uncle Tim. Where are you?
Are you super wog?
What?
Are you super wog?
What did you just call me?
You look like you're rolling a wheelchair.
What did you just say?
You're stupid. Putting you away. Oh, you S game.
L-A-L. You from this background? Yeah! In 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. Whoa. Okay, so we are home, and we're going to start doing the fridge.
You are?
I'm going to start doing the fridge. So yeah. The worst of all is our pantry. Very disgraceful, I know. Let's go. What I've done now is I have finished up the pantry. Remember these containers from Kmart? They're on rollers and they fit perfectly in the shelf. And this is a package from a new local company called Sniffbypenny. Let's open it up. I'm mistaking this for a perfume, but it is actually an air freshener. And these are the sticks. This is a nice beautiful candle. Pretty sure this candle is from Perfume C. Yeah. That smells amazing. No wonder they've got really good reviews. This must be room spray. That smells really good. I'd use this every single day. It smells the exact same as candle. It has a note. It says, "Thank you for supporting our small handmade business." Next package. Let's open this and see what this is. Oil burner. It's a wooden oil burner. We have a lot of melts. We have Mademoiselle, big one. No, baby. They've sent us a bunch of testers of melts, and I'm going to read the names out for you. First, we've got Beautiful Blossom. It does smell like blossoms. Then we've got Coconut and Lemongrass. It smells very strong, but good. Then we've got Pina Colada. Smells like pineapple. Then we've got Kakadu Plum. That one's my favourite out of all of them so far. We've got French Pear. That does smell like pear a lot. Got Buttercream Vanilla. Definitely smells like caramel for some reason. Then we've got Juicy Peach. Very juicy. And last we have Japanese Honeysuckle. That must be really good. Thank you for all of these testers. It has only been a couple of minutes and it's already starting to melt, and the whole room smells exactly like Chanel. If I were to compare the two, I would definitely pick Sniff. Since today was all about organisation, I made this label from my Cricut machine to stick onto the container, and I'm going to, once I get some more, I'm going to organise this whole thing and put all my melts and candles in here so it looks all organised. Thank you for watching my first ever video on organisation. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. It will help our new family channel grow.